Welcome to Help Screen. If you want to delete all Google search history, first thing that you will do is simply go to any web browser. I'm going to go for Google Chrome and just simply go to google.com. Now, from here, you can just simply select the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, from here, you should be able to see here search history. So tap on search history over here. Now, here on the search history tab, you should be able to see here delete. So you could just simply tap on it and a pop-up will show up. So you could delete your history just for today, or you could delete custom range, or you could just simply delete all time. So tap on it. And down below, you should have auto delete as well, which you could set the auto cycle of deletion. But for this video, we're going to delete all time. You should be able to delete two categories, which is discover and search. Just simply tap on next, and you should be able to preview your searches over here recently, and tap on delete to make sure. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.